Rivera. We got a situation on a couple cars with Steve Williams. Alright, again, just want to listen up here real quick.
How romantic. It's better than our proposal.
I just don't know what to do.
I'm a softie, I'm about to cry.
Yeah, what was that again? She said,
Oh, is that Hooter? You fucking retard!